Police in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for western Lincoln County, eastern Audrain County, Montgomery County, northeastern Calloway County, central Warren County, southwestern Pike County, and northeastern Missouri until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Mexico to near Williamsburg to near Swiss, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These tornadic storms will be near Mineola and Shamrock around 5:15 p.m. New Florence around 5:20 p.m. Montgomery City, Herman, and Wellsville around 5:25 p.m. Bellflower and Buell around 5:30 p.m. Jonesburg and Ladonia around 5:35 p.m. Farmer around 5:40 p.m. Warrenton, Truesdale, and New Hartford around 5:45 p.m. Vandalia around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Danville, Van Diver, Americus, High Hill, Rush Hill, Benton City, Olney, Middletown, McKittrick, and Ryland. This also includes Deutschheim Historic Site and Graham Cave State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 155 and 193. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.